We are pleased to show you the 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, hard disk drive media storage. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.